Do you want to know how to practice your scales on the piano with both hands? Let's see that. Hello, I'm Frank and I'm here to help you to become a successful musician. In a previous video, here, I showed you how to do some exercises to prepare to play the scales. And in this video, I want to show you how to play scales with each hand and with both hands at the same time. So let's see that. Okay, so to start, I will show you again how to play scales with both hands. So starting with the right hand, you will play the first three notes like that. So with the thumb first, we start on, it's the C major scale, okay, to keep it simple. So 1, 2, 3. But then you want to move your thumb, so underneath your other fingers, to play the next note. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, it's the movement that allows you to move your hand. So 1, 2, 3, cross, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So be sure that your wrist doesn't rotate or twist when you do that. Again. Okay, so this was up. Now we will see how to go down. So we start with the fifth finger. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we have to cross, and this time with the third finger. 3, 2, 1. Again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Now we will go up and down. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Of course, you want to play the note in a regular rhythm, so okay. So now the left hand, so it's the opposite. We start with the fifth finger, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we need to cross over with the third finger, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I do that again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. And if we go down now, we start with the third with the thumb, so 1, 2, 3, and we cross underneath, okay, you don't go over this time, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, once again, so now up and down. Okay, so now you know how to play with each hand individually. So really take your time, practice slowly with both hands before trying with each hand, before trying with both hands. With both hands you want to be even slower. So let's try that. So you start with the pinky on the left hand and with the thumb on the right hand. So here it goes. And now this is tricky. So you have to cross with the right hand, okay, to play the next, the F here. But with the left hand, you want to use the second finger. So okay. So you move your right hand, but you don't move your left hand. Not now. Then you go on, okay. And now you have to cross over on your left hand, so with the third finger. Okay, so probably it's probably sound a bit difficult for you right now. You have to do it slowly, so take your time. I will do again with you. Now I cross the right hand, and now I cross the left hand. Again. Alright, now let's go down. So, of course, it's the opposite. Now we start with the pinky on the right and the thumb on the left. And of course, I messed up. So, alright. So I will do again and explain you. Taking this video, I need to be more focused. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you have to cross with the thumb underneath on the left hand, okay? And now on the right hand, you need to cross with the third finger. Alright, once again. Alright, now we will do up and down with both hands. So cross, 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 cross. And that's it. Now you know how to play scales with both hands. Start slowly. I did a bit of acceleration afterwards to show you that when you practice for a bit, you will be able to play, of course, much faster. But take your time, do it slowly, and you will do it. So that's it for this video. I hope that it was helpful, and now you can play your scales with both hands. Of course, do that slowly again. Take your time and you will get better day after day. I will leave you with that and I will see you in the next video.